This boy is always curious what we're eating. Are you always following us, huh? Goose. Big boy, oh. Big boy.
Oh, ako muna.
Mommy is back.
Saturday.
Okay. Thanks for the breaky, Mom.
Yes.
Well, early morning.
Yeah. Oh, he's waiting for Lance to acknowledge him. And Lance is not acknowledging him.
Yeah. Hey, it's not fair. It's Father's Day today. I should be the one.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Lance giving Mom a briefing, safety briefing. Mom looks excited. Should be. It's gonna be a blast. Okay, Lance and Mom for the first time on the R22. They're going down the coast, heading to Frankston, south of Melbourne. Then possibly Tayab Airport. Then take a UE from there and head back here. So the flight is approximately 1 hour. Faye's gonna love this. It's gonna be a scenic route. And the sun's coming out too, so yeah. It's not fair, it should be me. I'm upset. No. We're good. We're good. It'll be my turn very soon.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
All right, that's better.
Righty.
Temperature 12. QH 1030. All right. About your plans, so we'll pick up to the Homa. Next to the end of the southern apron, and then towards
Toronto. You can see the jetty from here. We will turn around soon. The skies are clearer here though.
Port C.
That's Sportsy, yeah?
Copy 1320, contact center 126.5,
This is Toronto.
126.5, headed to me.
Oh wow.
I don't think we'll go to Port C because there's a little bit of a rain over there.
Yeah, we don't need to.
All the folks.
Copy 318, contact departures 118.9. 189, what's the attitude?
There's also some rain there, I think. We're going back.
Better build a rainbow for me.
Oh, the rainbow. Oh, you could see it. Oh, I could see it too. The rainbow.
Double rainbow. Check that out.
Yeah. Oh, there's a rainbow.
Double rainbow.
Yes. Rainbow here. We are treated with a rainbow. Oh my. Unbelievable.
It's a circular rainbow
It's a circular rainbow.
because of the coffin.
Unbelievable
Sector
seeing it at the top
565,
of the rainbow.
contact departures 118.9.
That's what
you, anak. Happy Father's Day to that too. Yay!
Okay, shush, Mom.
Okay, the gang is back. Hooray for Mom and Lance.
We just finished an hour of spin. Lance took me along the Port Phillip Bay. I was so thrilled. It's an hour and it's Father's Day, and it's my first time to ride with Lance. I was so excited, and yeah, we did well. So it's an enjoyable day. Thank you, anak. Yes, he said,
Yeah. So how was it? Hey. It's very nice, eh?
So okay. He's so okay. He's so okay, Daddy.
Yeah. It's fun.
Yes, it's fun.
How was the views?
Oh,
Scenic route.
yeah, it's nice, Dad.
Okay.
Yes, it's fun.
How was the views?
Oh, it's
Scenic route.
yeah, it's nice, Dad. It's nice because you get to see the different cliffs and
Okay.
you know, up to the port sea, up to the
Very good. Very good.
very good. Had a good day.
Okay, stay there.
Yeah.
Lance said, Mom, finished. Mom, nice hanger. Ooh. Okay, back to home base. Okay, that's the house special Machenko burger. Basil linguine. And Naz is getting his own burger version of chicken burger. Bruce should be sitting here, you know?
Yeah.
What? Bruce
is unfortunately